Hey everyone! In this video, you'll learn useful English words from myth to monarchy, including common collocations that will help you sound more natural and fluent.
Myth. A traditional story or false belief. The myth of the Loch Ness Monster is still popular. The idea that we only use 10% of our brain is just a myth. Manufacturer. A company that makes products. The car manufacturer released a new model this year.
They are a leading manufacturer. We support local manufacturers.
The manufacturer issued a recall on all defective units. Message. A piece of information sent or given. I left you a message on your phone. The message is clear. We won't tolerate that behavior. Messenger. Someone who delivers messages. The messenger brought a letter from the king. Don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger means don't get angry at the person who brings bad news, because they are not responsible for it. Mentioned. Said or referred to briefly, she mentioned your name during the meeting.
It's worth mentioning that it's free. It's cheap, not to mention useful.
Math. The study of numbers and calculations. I'm not very good at math. If the math doesn't add up, we'll have to redo the budget.
Middle. The center part of something. The middle of the room.
In the middle. Located between 2 points or events. I'm stuck in the middle of a family argument.
Let's meet at the middle point. She is in the middle of the street. I'm in the middle of a meeting. The shop is right in the middle. Middleman. A person or company that helps two sides make a deal by being in the middle. An electronics company in China produces smartphones and sells them to a middleman, who then distributes them to different retailers in Europe. The word middle is often used in the expression middle class, which describes people with average income and stable jobs. In English, social classes are usually divided into working class, middle class, upper middle class, and upper class. The working class includes people with lower paid or manual jobs, while the middle class represents a more stable lifestyle. The upper middle class has higher income and education, and the upper class refers to very wealthy people, often with inherited money. Just like social classes such as working class, middle class, and upper class describe people's economic status, airplanes also have different classes based on comfort and price. For example, economy class is the most affordable. Business class offers more comfort, and first class provides a luxury experience. In both cases, the idea of class helps organize people into different levels, whether in society or on a flight. Low class is an adjective used to describe something that is rude, vulgar, or of poor quality. It does not usually refer to social class, but rather to behavior, taste, or style. For example, if someone tells an offensive joke or behaves in a disrespectful way, you might say it is low class. She comes from an upper-class family. They are middle class.
Memory. The ability to remember or something remembered. My earliest memory is from kindergarten.
He has a good memory. Memory loss is common with age.
Memories. Things you remember from the past. The photos brought back so many memories. They shared fond memories of their childhood. Markets. Places or systems for buying and selling. The financial markets are unstable today.
The company wants to enter new markets. Crypto markets enter a new phase of maturity.
Midlife. The middle period of a person's life. He bought a motorcycle during his midlife crisis. Merits: good qualities or worth. Let's judge the proposal on its merits, not on who wrote it.
We discussed the merits of the plan. She succeeded on her own merit. I got to the top on my own merit. The team made it to the final on their own merit.
Mop: a tool for cleaning floors or the act of using it. I need to mop the floor. She grabbed a mop and started cleaning the kitchen floor. We mopped the floor with the other team. Metaphor: a figure of speech comparing two things without like or as. Time is a thief is a common metaphor. Life is a journey. That's a common metaphor.
My father always uses metaphors to explain things.
Monetize: to make money from something. They're trying to monetize their YouTube channel. Morbid: showing an unhealthy interest in death or disturbing things. He has a morbid fascination with crime scenes. Measure: to find the size or amount of something, we need to measure the room before buying furniture. Closing the schools was a necessary safety measure.
We measure success by results. Safety measures are actions taken to protect people from accidents, harm, or danger, unintentional risks. The company introduced safety measures to prevent accidents. Security measures are actions taken to protect people or places from crime, attacks, or intentional harm. The airport has strict security measures.
Masterpiece: a great work of art or achievement. The painting is considered a true masterpiece. Myopic: not able to see the full situation clearly, especially focusing only on short-term or limited ideas. His myopic view of the problem ignored the long-term consequences. Mold: a fungus or a shape you use to make something. There's mold on the bread. There's mold growing on the bathroom ceiling. Mold: a shape you use to make something. They used a mold to shape the chocolate. Teachers help mold young minds.
She broke the mold. She broke the mold means she is very different from what is usual or expected. She does things in a new or original way that doesn't follow traditional patterns.
Mature: fully developed in behavior or form. He's very mature for his age.
That was a mature decision. It's a mature market.
You're mature enough to make your own decisions. Maturity: the state of being fully grown or developed. She showed great maturity during the crisis. She handled the situation with great maturity.
He reached maturity at a young age.
The project reached maturity last year. The idea reached maturity after many discussions. Manipulate: to control or influence in a clever or unfair way. He tried to manipulate the results. He knows how to manipulate people to get what he wants.
They manipulated the data.
Merit: value or worthiness. The scholarship is awarded based on merit. Scholarship: money given to a student to help pay for their education, usually because of their ability or achievements. Based on merit, grades, talent, achievements. She got a scholarship because of her excellent grades.
Grant: money given by a government or organization for a specific purpose, such as education or research, usually based on need or a project. Often based on need or a specific purpose. Study, research, project. He received a grant to study abroad. It's a merit-based system. This issue merits attention.
Mission, a task or purpose, often important. Their mission is to reduce pollution. Their mission is to provide clean water to remote areas.
We finished the project. Mission accomplished. Job done. We did it. Task completed.
Morale, the general mood or spirit of a group. Team morale was low after the defeat. The team's morale is high after the recent win.
The speech boosted morale. Morale refers to the level of confidence, energy, and motivation of a group of people, especially in a team or organization. Moral, relating to principles about what is right and wrong behavior. He has strong moral principles. Immoral, not morally right, against accepted principles of right and wrong. Raising prices during a shortage just to get rich is considered immoral.
Manners, polite behavior. He has very good manners at the table. He has no manners. He didn't even say thank you. Migraines, severe headaches with nausea and sensitivity to light. She gets migraines every few weeks.
She suffers migraines. She had a migraine attack.
Mall, a large building with many shops. Let's go to the mall and grab something to eat. Monarchy, a system of government with a king or queen. Britain still has a monarchy. The country has been a constitutional monarchy since 1930.
That country was an absolute monarchy.
That's it for today's M words. Now you know many useful M words and collocations. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.